This is Kulap, one of countless monkeys trapped in Thailand's coconut industry. PETA Asia investigators have uncovered shocking abuse of monkeys on farms in Thailand that produce coconuts for export around the world to be used to make coconut milk, yogurt, oil, and other products. As you watch this, enslaved monkeys are suffering. This is the dark side of Thailand's coconut industry. Monkeys like Kulap are abducted from their homes in nature where they live in large social groups. They are kept chained and isolated on barren, dirty farms with very little opportunity to interact with other monkeys. Many go insane. These intelligent social animals are treated like coconut picking machines. Their lives are filled with suffering and there is no retirement. An industry insider reported that it's rare to find a product from Thailand containing coconut that wasn't picked by monkeys. If you see a product made with Thai coconuts such as coconut milk, oil, water or yogurt, please leave it on the shelf to avoid supporting this life of misery. Thank you.